overcome, then it's shame on you. Because our life is a beautiful thing. And no one deserves to ruin it. No one deserves to control it. And no one deserves to steal your joy. Your life is your life. And you have the right to live it the best way you can. Life is short. We have all experienced great losses in our life. That can be our dear ones, positions, relationships, or money. We all have felt that pain. And now we must go on. Don't be afraid to be honest. Don't be afraid to be truthful. Don't be afraid to be helpful. Neither to be different. But I guarantee you that this is going to be a lifetime opportunity. And when the time comes, when the opportunity comes, use it. Dreams are not easy to achieve. But, yes, you can do it right now. There is an opportunity. Maybe the last one. Because you are given this special opportunity that will accomplish anything you ever wanted. Join with us. And begin your new dream life. Money.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to Money's product presentation for the evening. My name is Akshay. I'm your host for the evening. On behalf of Money, I would like to welcome all of you to today's product presentation. We have a decent audience right now, and we will start with the product right away. All right, so here we are presenting the most revolutionary, the most unique smart contract which has ever been introduced in the history of this world. We are introducing to you Money, which is the ultimate 100% decentralized global revenue pool money gifting smart contract based on the Ethereum platform. To those of you who are slightly new to the concept, to those of you who are slightly new to smart contracts and the terminology, we will be decoding a few terms which have been used here to explain the product as we move forward with our journey. To those of you who joined us right now, I welcome all of you once again. My name is Akshay. I'm your host for the evening. Welcome to Money's product presentation. We are just getting started. All right. So as I said, we'll be decoding a few terms as we move forward. The first one that you're looking at right now is decentralization. To all the people who are slightly new to the concepts, we'll be decoding these terms for you for your easy understanding. Now, decentralization, what does it mean? What do you understand by the term? It is pretty simple. It means that all the information, all the money which has been collected, all the database which has been made while the program is in running is not stored in a single place, is not stored in a single computer, is not stored in a single unit. It is instead divided all across the world, across millions of computers in our network. And this is something which keeps your data, your money, your privacy protected at all times, which has also been our key priority while developing this product for you. So this is what decentralized means. In simple terms, it says that this product, this database, this money that we are collecting, the money which is being invested by all the participants, all the shareholders, is not stored in a single place. Instead, it is stored across millions of computers in our network. Now, moving to the next term, that is smart contract, which will be used quite often during our presentation today. A smart contract basically means that it's a transaction protocol which is intended to automatically execute, control, or document legally relevant events and actions according to terms of a contract or an agreement which has already been predefined. Now, key features of a smart contract include that no third party, no third parties at all are allowed to interfere, or they are involved in any of the transactions which are taking place in the smart contract. Once the smart contract is deployed, once it is live, once it is on the system, there are no changes which can be made to the smart contract, not even by the owners or the promoters of a smart contract. They have no control once the system goes live. The system, as I said, is completely decentralized, which ensures that your money, your database, your privacy is 100% secure at all times. Another feature of this is the earnings which you generate through the smart contract during your journey. They are 100% secure, and they are transferred directly to your own smart contract, your own wallet. The earnings that you generate from the smart contract are transferred directly to the wallet. Payments are automatic and they're not controlled by anyone, which means that every activity which happens in the smart contract is part of a already predefined protocol. It has to happen automatically, and once it completes the loop, it regenerates itself again. Moving to the next part, to all the people who've joined us very recently, I welcome all of you on behalf of Money. We have just started with the product presentation of Money, and we're moving to the technical bits now. Money, again, a very innovative, very smart contract which is being introduced in the world. Uh, Now, how do you join Money? There is only one single way of joining the smart contract, that is through a referral link. You can only join in through a referral link. Which will be introduced, which will be shared once the product goes live. Now, we have very good information which we would like to share with all our participants from today's session. This is the first time we are announcing this publicly. Uh, Money is very pleased to announce that all the testing of the product has been completed very recently, and the product is ready to launch any time now before 25th of August 2020. This product, I repeat, can be launched any time now. All the testing and everything, all the simulations are done. Everything is complete. Everything is good to go. This product can be launched any time right now. Coming back to how this product, how do you join this product? How do you join the smart contract? There is only one single way how you can join is through a link which will be shared once the product goes live. You can only join through a referral link, and the joining fee for this smart contract, that is Money, is only and only 0.25 Ethereum. 0.25 Ethereum is all you need to join the smart contract. Now, how does Money work, and what are the salient features of Money? The first feature, the first unique feature of Money is direct referral. Direct referral means that there is only one way of joining the smart contract, that is through a link which will be provided once the product goes live. There's only one way you enter the smart contract, and trust me, once you are in, you are never going to leave it. Second, global pool money distribution. Global pool money distribution is a very unique concept which is being introduced for the first time in the history of this world. And global pool money is something which is going to make this Money smart contract the most sought after smart contract in the world. Now, global pool money, we will explore this concept at length as and when we move forward. The third is auto reinvestment. Auto reinvestment is a very brilliant concept. Personally, my favorite from Money is auto reinvestment. We will explore more about this auto reinvestment as and when we move forward in our journey. Now, moving directly to the plan, how exactly the plan works, and what all, how does your money flow into the system, and how do you generate income out of it? Very simple here. I'll take the help of the flowchart that you can see on your screen for your easy understanding. To those of you who've just joined us, I welcome all of you on behalf of Money. My name is Akshay. I'm your host for the evening, and we are just starting with the plan. We have completed a few technical bits right now, just starting with the plan. So you're absolutely in time. All right. So as you can see in this flowchart here, there is only one way in which you can be introduced into the system. That is through an upline. That is through a link, which will be shared once the system goes live. Which I also confirmed that all the testing and all the simulations are done, and this product is ready to be launched any time now. I repeat, any time now. So there's only one way, as I said, of joining the system, which is through an upline. In this case, that you can see is X. X becomes your upline. He is the person who introduces you to the smart contract with the help of a referral link. A represents you. A represents you right here, which means that you have been introduced through your upline and you are now in the system with the help of the joining link. Your joining fee is just 0.25 Ethereum, just 0.25 Ethereum. That's the only minimum joining fee that is required to enter the smart contract. B and C in this system are your downlines. B and C are your downlines, people who've joined with your reference, people who have joined under you. They become your downlines. A1 and A2 are the reinvestments which you've made. I'll come to that when we reach there. Now, how does your money move around the smart contract? 0.25 Ethereum is the only amount that you need to invest. As I've said this before, 0.25 is the amount that you invest when you enter the smart contract. Once you're in, 50% of your investment from 0.25 Ethereum, that is 0.125 Ethereum, is transferred automatically to your upline as a direct commission. So I repeat, 50% of your investment, that is 0.125 Ethereum out of 0.25 Ethereum, is transferred as a commission to your upline, which in this case is X. Remaining 50% of your investment, which is 0.125 Ethereum out of 0.25 Ethereum, goes directly to the global pool. Now, in this case, you know what global pool is. We will be exploring this as we move forward. But 50% of all the investments which are made in Tripoli.money smart contract, 50% of all the investments are moved to the global pool money. We will explore as we move forward. B and C are the people who've been introduced in the system by you, that is through your referral. 50% of their investment, that is B and C's 50% investments, which was again 0.25 Ethereum, then that was their joining fee. 50% of their investment goes directly as a commission to you, who is A, that is you. So you gain 50% of their investments, just like your upline X gained 50% of your investment. Remaining 50% of B and C's investment goes directly to the global pool, just like yours. And similarly, this is how it has been with X also. When X invested, 50% of his investment also went to the global pool money. Now, A1 and A2, the very interesting part about Tripoli.money is that you have an option of reinvesting yourself. So once you are in the system, once you have joined through the joining link, by paying the minimum joining fee of 0.25 Ethereum, you are eligible to invest further directly in your name, in your link, in multiples of 0.25 Ethereum only. So once you have invested initially 0.25 Ethereum, you can continue to invest further in multiples of 0.25 Ethereum only. So this is how your investment moves. One is through the referrals. You can introduce more referrals under you, who will invest 0.25 Ethereum, and you will get 50% of their commission. Second, you can reinvest on your own, which is in multiples of 0.25 Ethereum each. Now, moving to the next step of the plan, that is the Tripoli.money 50% global pool money distribution plan. It's very, very simple if you pay attention right now. So what we have discussed so far is that how your investment moves into the system. So what we have learned is 50% of all the investment that you're going to make are going to go to your upline. Remaining 50% of the investment that you've made will move to the global pool money. Now, global pool money is a collection bank where 50% of all the investments which have been made by every single shareholder of Tripoli.money is collected. Now, I'll define the term shareholder here, which I missed in the previous slide. I'll define this once again. Every single investment which has been made by you, every single referral which has been introduced by you, is equivalent to one share of Tripoli.money. So I repeat myself, every investment that is being made by you, every referral which has been introduced by you in the system, is equivalent to 1 share of EE.money. So I come back to global pool money distribution plan. So every single investment which has been made in the EE.money smart contract, 50% of that comes directly to the global pool money distribution plan. Now what happens with it? After every 24 hours, after every single day, after every 24 hours, all the money which has been collected in the global pool money distribution plan gets divided among all existing shareholders of EE.money. I repeat, all the money which has been collected in 24 hours of a cycle gets divided among all existing shareholders of EE.money. That's how simple it is. Now, what happens further? All the money which has been divided among every single shareholder gets credited to them in multiples of 0.5 Ethereums only. Now, why 0.5 Ethereums? Because that is the minimum value which is required to activate global pool money distribution plan for a single day. So this happens every day. This is a daily cycle which runs automatically. I repeat myself once again. All the money which has been collected in the global pool money distribution plan gets divided among all shareholders equally, and it gets credited to them in multiples of 0.5 Ethereums only. Now, what happens if the money is not in multiples of 0.5 and it's slightly over and above? Okay, in that case, the money which is over and above 0.5 Ethereums or multiples of that is put on hold. This is a new term that I'm introducing here. Is put on hold. The money which has been credited to the shareholders every day in multiples of 0.5 Ethereums, anything over and above, is put on hold for 24 hours. This money which has been put on hold gets credited automatically to next day's global pool money distribution plan. So the income that you are generating from global pool money distribution plan, you are not losing anything out of it by putting it on hold. It does not go anywhere. It's just that it did not get credited to you today, but it will get credited to you tomorrow, the next day. So all the income which gets, I repeat for all the people who joined us, 50% of all investments go to global pool money distribution plan, and that income, that chunk of money which has been collected in a single day gets divided among all the shareholders and gets credited to them in multiples of 0.5 Ethereums each. Anything over and above gets is put on hold for 24 hours and gets automatically carried forward to next day's global pool money distribution plan. Now moving to the next segment, that is how the cycle gets completed and how exactly your money moves around the system in a complete cycle. So now, so far we have learned how your money is invested initially, that is in terms of in multiples of 0.25 Ethereums only. 50% of your initial investment goes to your upline, remaining 50% goes to global pool money distribution. From global pool money distribution, the amount which has been collected in a single day in 24 hours gets divided among all the shareholders, all existing shareholders of the smart contract, and it gets credited to them in multiples of 0.5 Ethereums only. Anything over and above is put on hold for a single day for 24 hours, and then it gets carried forward to next day's global pool money distribution. Now, what happens with the income that you have received in multiples of 0.5 Ethereums each? 50% of the income which you have raised, which you have received from global pool money distribution plan goes automatically to your personal wallet. I repeat, it goes directly to your personal wallet automatically. EE.money does not have any wallet of its own. It will be linked to your personal wallet. It could be a trust wallet, it could be MetaMask, or any wallet that you use. So 50% of all the earnings that you've earned from global pool money distribution plan go automatically to your personal wallet. Remaining 50%, now this is where things get interesting. 50% of the balance income gets automatically reinvested in your link, in your ID, in multiples of 0.25 Ethereums only. So what's happening here is EE.money has made sure that the income that you generate, that too helps to enhance your chances of generating more money out of the system. I repeat myself here, the income that you generate from the global pool money distribution plan gets divided into two parts. The first part goes directly automatically to your personal wallet. The remaining 50% gets automatically reinvested in multiples of 0.25 Ethereum, which means that today if you hold 3 shares of Money and you get 3 parts of the total income which was generated in the global pool money distribution, once the income is received and it gets automatically reinvested, tomorrow you may have more than 3 shares automatically without even making a new investment. Tomorrow you can have more number of shares of Money, which will fetch you more portions of the total income. That's how simple and that's how exciting the plan is. So to all the people who've joined us a little late, I will reiterate the plan once again for your easy understanding. And I'll show you how the plan works, how your money moves in the system. All right, here we are. In this flowchart, as you can see, you are denoted by the alphabet A. Your upline is X, your downlines are B and C, and A1 and A2 are your investment. So I'm repeating this for all the people who joined us a bit late. X is the person who introduces you to the system. That is, through X's joining link only, you can join the system. You can be a part of the smart contract. The investment that you are going to make is going to be 0.25 Ethereum. That is the minimum investment, and any additional investments that you wish to make are going to be in multiples of 0.25 Ethereums only. So 50% of your investment goes to your upline. Remaining 50% of your investment goes to the global pool money. Now B and C, who are your downlines, who have been introduced by you in the system, 50% of their investments get credited to you because you are their upline, just like X was your upline. And remaining 50% of their investment goes to the global pool money distribution. Now, moving to next part of that, global pool money distribution is basically a collection bank where all the money which has been generated in the system gets collected for every single day. At the end of the day, all the money which has been collected in the global pool money distribution plan gets automatically divided among all existing shareholders of Money, which means that every single shareholder, or if you hold multiple shares, you get equal shares. You get your income, which is equivalent to every share of Money in multiples of 0.5 Ethereums only. Any amount over and above 0.5 Ethereums is put on hold for 24 hours and gets credited to next day's global pool money distribution plan. Now, the income that you generate from the global pool money distribution plan in multiples of 0.5 Ethereums only gets divided into 2 parts automatically. The first part goes to your wallet, which is your personal wallet. Money doesn't have its own wallet. Money credits this money to your personal wallet automatically, which could be a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. The second part of this income gets automatically credited, gets automatically converted into multiple investments of 0.25 Ethereums only. So this 50% of your income gets automatically reinvested in your name, in your link, in your ID in multiples of 0.25 Ethereums only. And it enhances your chances of generating more income out of it. Now, moving forward, investment slots, there is no limit on the number of investments that can be made. There is no limit on the number of people who can be part of Money. It's absolutely limitless. And be rest assured, the moment this smart contract is launched, it will be launched across the world with millions and millions of users, and there are going to be hundreds and thousands of people who are going to be joining this Money smart contract every single day. It's therefore recommended that you join this plan at the earliest, so you ensure you get maximum benefit out of it. So that's the whole idea of this product presentation, to introduce you to the product and to encourage you to join the plan as soon as it goes live, so that you can start making money immediately. Now, to all the people who've joined us today, I would like to open the forum for questions. If you have any, you can either type your questions in the chat box, or I will enable the feature where you can unmute yourself and you can ask your questions to me directly. All right, I have done that. People who are interested in asking questions can unmute themselves and ask, and they can also direct their questions to the chat box. I open the forum for questions now.
Hi Akshay, I'm Joshi here.
Hello sir, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. So if I introduce a person, hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
If I done a one referral, I'll get a 50% of investment and as well as a share, right?
Yes, so you gain two things if with your referrals. One is you get 50% of your referrals income, which comes as a direct income to you,
Right.
and you also gain a share in Money.
Thank you so much. So another question. So
Yes, sir.
you're still stick on the date of 25th or before?
I have said this before. I would like to repeat myself once again. Money has completed all the simulations and trials recently, and
Thank
they
you.
are ready to launch any time now, anytime.
Okay. How do we get know that?
This will be informed to you through the telemarketing channels, which is the Telegram channel that we have, and
Right.
other sources too. This
Okay.
will be informed to everyone, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Any other questions that I can answer for you?
Yeah, I'm done.
All right. Any more questions, gentlemen, that we can take for the evening?
Hello, sir.
Mr. Reddy has a question. So you can either type your question in the chat box or you can tell me now.
हेलो
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
सर हिंदी आते हैं आपको?
हाँ सर, हिंदी आती है, बताइए।
मेरा नाम जयपाल रेड्डी है सर।
हाँ सर।
0.25 से हम ज्वाइन होते हैं।
हाँ सर।
बाद में ये भी दो लोगों को जिस सिस्टम हेलो।
हाँ सर, बोलिए ना, मैं सुन रहा हूँ।
तो दो लोगों को नई ज्वाइन करवाएंगे, इनकम आती है नहीं आती है सर?
हाँ सर, आई वुड लाइक टू क्लियर माई सेल्फ वंस अगेन फॉर वन एंड ऑल।
इवन प्लीज हिंदी में
ठीक है सर, हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ आपके लिए। अगर
हाँ।
आपने सिस्टम ज्वाइन किया, अगर आपने स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ज्वाइन किया एंड उसके बाद आपने कोई भी इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं किया, या फिर आपने किसी को भी अपने नीचे ज्वाइन नहीं कराया अपने रेफरल लिंक से, तो भी आपको इनकम आती रहेगी लाइफ टाइम तक।
इनकम आती है सर?
हाँ सर, आपको इनकम आती रहेगी क्योंकि आप EEE.money के एक शेयर होल्डर हैं, और ग्लोबल पूल मनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से जितना भी पैसा जनरेट होगा हर रोज, उसमें से एक शेयर आपको हर रोज मिलेगा। वो शेयर होगा 0.5 इथेरियम्स के मल्टीपल्स में। उस शेयर का 50% पैसा डायरेक्टली आपके वॉलेट में चला जाएगा, और बाकी का 50% पैसा आपके लिए री इन्वेस्ट हो जाएगा मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 0.25 इथेरियम्स में।
सर दो लोगों को ज्वाइन करे तो डिफरेंट क्या होता है सर? वो ज्यादा इनकम आती है दो लोगों को ज्वाइन करेंगे?
हाँ सर, अगर आप दो लोगों को ज्वाइन कराते हैं तो आपके पास पहले तो उनका 50% इन्वेस्टमेंट आ जाएगा, जो जिन दो लोगों को आप ज्वाइन कराएंगे। दूसरा, वो दो लोग आपके शेयर होल्डर बन जाते हैं, तो आपके पास अब एक नहीं, आपके पास 3 शेयर्स हैं। तो आपको जो भी ग्लोबल पूल मनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से जितना भी पैसा जनरेट होगा, आपको उसके 3 शेयर मिलेंगे सर हर रोज।
ओके सर, ठीक है
और ऑटोमेटिक री इन्वेस्टमेंट से आपके शेयर्स बढ़ते जाएंगे हर रोज।
ओके सर, ओके। हम एक ही ज्वाइन करें तो क्या फायदा आते हैं हमारे को?
अगर आपने एक ही ज्वाइन किया या आपने किसी को ज्वाइन नहीं कराया, तो भी आपको बैठे बैठे इनकम आती रहेगी सर लाइफ टाइम तक।
ओके सर, ओके ओके, ठीक है सर, ठीक है। थैंक यू सर।
कोई और सवाल सर आपका?
कोई भी नहीं है सर, वो इतना ही सर।
ऑल राइट, गुड लक सर।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू। Any more questions, gentlemen, for the evening? All
Yes,
right.
sir.
People are typing a few questions in the chat box also. I would like to address that. Mr. Reddy, just a minute, please. I'll answer these questions first. When will we get the demo of the website? As soon as the smart contract goes live, every single feature of the smart contract is going to be available and accessible for everyone who joins the smart contract. How much is the gas charge for 0.25 Ethereum? The gas charge will remain standard as per whatever the rate of gas charge may be at the time of your transaction, because it is fluctuating. Any other questions?
सर अब हमारा एक ही क्वेश्चन है सर।
हाँ सर, बताइए।
वो वो सिस्टम कितना दिन चलाते हैं वो बताओ सर। अभी स्टार्ट नहीं
सिस्टम चलता
होगा।
रहेगा सर। सिस्टम एक बार स्टार्ट हो गया तो रुकेगा नहीं।
अभी नहीं स्टार्ट होगा। मगर कई को बोलते बोले तो इतना इतना सिस्टम आते जाते ऐसा ही चलाते सर।
नहीं
इसी
नहीं
के
नहीं,
लिए बोलते।
मैं समझ गया आपकी बात, आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं मैं समझ गया, बट ये सिस्टम वैसा नहीं है। ये जेन्युइन लेजिट सिस्टम है। एंड ये एक जर्मन कंपनी ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है। और एक बार ये सिस्टम जब लाइव हो जाएगा तो इसको कोई बंद नहीं कर सकता सर। अगर ओनर्स इसको बंद करना भी चाहेंगे ना तो नहीं कर सकते, ये डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड है।
ओके सर ओके।
और
Mr.
बताइए सर।
Mr. Akshay, can I know who's fixing this gas fee? Whether promoters or the Ethereum or the exchanges?
The gas fee is fixed by Ethereum and exchanges, sir. The promoters and Money have got no role to play in this.
Because the gas fees is too high nowadays. So
Yes, it is
I don't know what.
fluctuating, sir. It is fluctuating. It could be high on a day, it could be low on a day. But Money cannot influence it in any way.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Any other questions that I can answer?
सर मेरा अभी एक क्वेश्चन है सर।
जी सर बताइए।
ऐसा सिस्टम किसी को बोल देता क्या रिएक्शन देते? हमारा पहला ऐसा करेंगे हमारा उसका प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है? वो हमारा वैलेट में रहता, वो पैसा निकलने के लिए प्रॉब्लम रहते हैं, ऐसा बोलते सर लोग।
सर मैं आपको फिर से बता देता हूँ, ये जो सिस्टम है इसमें से आपको जितनी भी इनकम आती है वो डायरेक्टली आपकी पर्सनल वॉलेट में आती है सर। पर्सनल वॉलेट में जब आपकी इनकम आ जाती है उसके बाद वहां से निकालना वो आपके ऊपर है। बट Money का कोई पर्सनल वॉलेट नहीं है, कोई अपना वॉलेट नहीं है जहाँ पे आपकी इनकम स्टोर होती जाएगी। आपकी जितनी भी इनकम जनरेट होती है वो सारी की सारी आपको आपके पर्सनल वॉलेट में मिल जाएगी।
सर पर्सनल वॉलेट में मिल जाएगा, वो बात सही बात है सर। वो उसमें भी निकलने के लिए वो प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, वो सॉफ्टवेयर स्ट्रक होते हैं, ऐसा प्रॉब्लम बोलते हैं सर। हमारे को थोड़ा
ಜಯಪಾಲ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ
हाँ सर।
ಜೋಶಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
हाँ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಯಾವ ತರ ತೆಗಿಯೋದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ತೆಗಿಯೋದಾಯ್ತು, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸೈಡ್ ದವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಈಗ ವ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ದು 6 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ತೆಗಿಯಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಒಂದಿಬ್ರು
ಅಂತವ್ರು ನಾನು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ ನಾವು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ
ಸರಿ ಸರ್ ಓಕೆ.
ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾಲೆಟ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
ಹೌದು. ಸೊ actually I'll handle that because this is my person. So I'll clear.
Okay sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, clear that. Okay.
Thank you very much. All right, we have a question here. Is this legal in India? Some of the money circulation schemes are considered illegal in India. We would like to clarify, sir. This system is completely adhered to the laws which are prevailing. This system is going to be the money, the income that you generate from this smart contract gets automatically credited to your smart wallets or to your wallets, and those wallets are linked to your bank account. So this is completely transparent. Is the maximum ETH I can earn from one share is 0.25 ETH daily. All right, this is not the maximum limit, sir. There is no maximum limit on the number of Ethereum that you can, on the volume of Ethereum that you can generate from EEE.money. It completely depends on the number of people joining the system every day, and it also depends on the number of shares that you hold. But there is no limit to the volume of income that you can generate from EEE.money. Which wallet is working with EEE.money? All right, EEE.money doesn't have any wallet attached to it, but the wallets that we endorse are wallets like Trust Wallet, or you can go for BitPNS, or you can go for MetaMask, or you can go for WazirX. These are the most popular wallets available in the market. You can go for anyone, but EEE.money doesn't have any wallets of its own. In screen A1, A2, please explain. Sure, I'll do that. We'll go back to the flowchart right now, the one which is on your screen. So as you can see in this screen, A, which denotes you, that is your investment, X is your upline, A1 and A2 are your investments, B and C are your downlines. Now I'll explain A1 and A2, what do they mean exactly? Once you are introduced in the system, once you are a part of EE.money smart contract, once you have made your initial investment, you are eligible to make additional investments also, which means that that there are two ways in which you can continue to make investments. One is through a direct investment, second is through a referral. This what we're looking at right now is a direct investment, which means that you can continue to make additional investments in your link, in your ID, in multiples of 0.25 Ethereums, and they too get divided simultaneously. Just the way your initial investment got divided in two parts, these additional investments will also get divided into two parts, and they will contribute to the global pool money, and they will also add one additional share each to your name. Do you need both? All right, we have a question here. What is the difference between Zepe and True Wallet? Do you need both to buy and sell Ethereum? So we will not be able to comment on that because this is beyond EE.money's product presentations. You can have your question answered in probably other forums. Any other questions that I can take, gentlemen? Any other questions, gentlemen? All right. Thank you very much for joining us today evening. I hope you found this session very informative. I would like to reiterate once again, EE.money has completed all the trials and simulations for the smart contract, and they are ready to launch any time now. Any time this can be launched in the market, and we want you people who are part of it right now to be the first beneficiaries of it. So just keep looking for information on EE.money. It will be shared with you through the respective channels, and we look forward to welcoming all of you on board. Thank you very much. Have a lovely evening ahead.